Second day of testimony is in the books tonight in that case against Brookford Police Chief Willie Armstrong.
Yeah, he's accused of illegally recording a person of interest and then destroying that evidence during his investigation into the 1992 murder of Dee Dee Dawkins.
WCNC Charlotte's Tricia Woodard updates us on the proceedings today.
Today, the jury listened to a recording and heard from an investigator in the case. The goal was to determine whether or not Armstrong was a passionate officer looking to solve a more than 30-year-old case, or if he intentionally broke the law. 13-year-old Dee Dee Dawkins was murdered back in 1992, and the search for answers are now overshadowed by questions about the man trying to find them.
I'm the only person that's trying to work on this case. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't have done anything that I thought was going to be messing me up.
Inside a Catawba County courtroom Wednesday, jurors listened to a recording between Brookford Police Chief Willie Armstrong and investigators. In the audio, Armstrong discusses leaving his phone behind during an interview connected to the Dee Dee Dawkins case.
State's Exhibit number 2 is the iPhone that I seized from Chief Armstrong during our second interview that you just heard.
One of the state's lead investigators, Special Agent Crawley, faced intense questioning.
What did your investigation ultimately reveal about the recording you discussed with the defendant?
You just testified this man changed his story several times. I asked you, tell us how. You can't tell us how you changed your story? Prosecutor says
The most heated moment of the day came when attorneys clashed over how much jurors should hear about the Dee Dee Dawkins murder itself. Prosecutors objected multiple times, arguing details of the decade-old case could distract from the charges currently before the jury.
Those issues make the actual issues at trial here confusing, muddied at best.
The defense disagreed, arguing the two cases are inseparably linked. Because Armstrong's investigation into Dee Dee Dawkins' murder is what led to the charges he now faces.
for him to eventually get charged with a crime for investigating that cold case murder is this case. You can't segregate it. You know, whether or not it's relevant, I understand that you don't want to talk about it, but you shouldn't have brought the case if you don't want to talk about it.
As attorneys continue to debate where to draw the line, the jury is going to ultimately decide which story holds more weight. That testimony is set to continue tomorrow. Reporting in Catawba County, Tricia Woodard, WCNC Charlotte.